Hello guys, my name is Pratham Rohit and in my today's video I am going to teach you how to make a rocket. In my last video I taught you how to make a PS4 controller. So let's start. First of all, turn it from the middle, that is 12 blocks from one side. Now turn this up. Now turn this around and do the same thing with this. Now turn this up. Now turn this up. Do the same thing with this. Now connect this, turn this down, and now connect this with this. Turn it around and do the same thing with this. Now turn this down, turn this up, turn this up, and then connect this with this. Do the same thing with this side. Turn this down, turn it from here up, turn this down and connect this with this. Now turn this up. Same with the other side. This up and turn the last two pieces twice. Here's the rocket. So this is how we make a rocket. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.